Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today is National Pizza Day, so happy National Pizza Day. And also I've got delivery of the spring edition of the Ooni Pizza provisions box. The other one I bought just a few weeks ago because that's when I bought the subscription. So now I've got the spring edition and here it is. This is a bit different from before. I've got another recipe. Oh, really looking forward to making that. One I've never made yet again. Ooh, there's two. Spicy Italian deli pizza, and card showing what's in here again. And there's like an app you can download with the recipes and a dough calculator on that app. I'll have to do that. I haven't got the app. Oh wow, another recipe. Neapolitan style canotto pizza dough, and another recipe, French piz. Oh my gosh. Oh, here we go. All these like pronunciations. I don't know whether to try it. Okay, pizzaladier. Is that right? Ollie to cook. We'll be cooking them on this channel. I definitely needed a recipe for the canotto pizza dough. So I can't wait to try that out. Never done it before, and I've never used this flour before, so I can't wait to use this. I will be making that dough with that flour. I think that's the same. Yeah, it is. That's the dough for those pizzas. Excellent. I've got another tin of San Marzano tomatoes. Very happy with that. I've got Bee and Bonnet hot honey. Whoa, what does it say on there? Welsh honey infused with Scotch bonnet. Oh, Scotch bonnet. I've been using those. They are mega hot, but absolutely lovely. And anchovy fillets. I love anchovies. I've put anchovy on pizza before and I really loved it. I'm not sure my viewers did, but I did. I was early on my channel and woo. Now, I've never been able to get hold of the Caputo's version of the dry yeast, so I'm very looking forward to using this. I've currently got another brand. What's the brand I use? Yeah, so I use Allison's, and I keep it in the fridge. So if I buy them in a packet, I pour the packet in one of these pots and then keep them in the fridge all the time. And it never dies on me, so glad I've got another one of them. I don't offend anybody by my terrible pronunciation of this. Okay, I'm not. It looks lovely and I can't wait to use it. And oh, this is, I love unwrapping these hampers, these boxes, these provision boxes. Oh, what's that? Explosive blend of extra spicy classic hot spread, red peppers and vegetables, and a tangy vinegar. Wow, very nice. Something I wouldn't be able to get hold of normally, so I'm so excited to use all of these products. And I was going to get that, and now it's in this box, so that's amazing. And I've never tried this, so it's lovely to have all these new ingredients available that I can't get in my local supermarket. Pesto, oh yeah, pesto alla genovese. I hope I've said that right. It looks lovely, very nice. And there's one more thing in this yellow bag. So if you are having one of these and you don't want to see what the surprise is in the yellow bag, stop watching now. You can see what it is. I've got one of these. I bought one off the Ooni site. I've lost it. Got another one. I lost it because I tried to use it to light my fire and I don't know where I put it. It got lost in with my wood. So I got another one now. And this cost me, I don't know, it was definitely over £10. I'll put the right price up here. This is the free gift you get in with your provisions box, which this isn't a sponsored video or anything. I've bought all this, so I've bought myself another one of these. At least I won't lose it this time. It's working out how to use it. So what it is, if you don't know, it's a flint and steel. You strike the steel plate against the magnesium rod into some tinder to start a fire. So that's the magnesium rod and that's the steel. It doesn't look easy, but I'm gonna give it a go. And maybe it'll you know, I'm not going to try it here. Obviously I'll set my box alight. Watch out for an upcoming video where I try to use one of these on my Ooni carry. And that's it. I'm very, very pleased with my box. I'm happy that I've got so many lovely ingredients here. Bonus gift. And I've got loads of recipes to make. That'll keep me busy. Got so much coming up over the next few weeks. The weather hasn't been great. I'm not going to get my next one now till May. If you've got any tips as well with the proofing of this flour, I'd be very grateful for them. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've certainly enjoyed opening this box up and looking at all these lovely ingredients. Hope you're okay. Take care everyone, and I'll see you soon. Happy National Pizza Day.